मुझे लगा सांप है। Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to share something which is important for all of us, but we every time neglect this thing. As you have already read the title of this video, आपको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया हो ही गया होगा कि मैं कौन से टॉपिक के बारे में आज बात करने वाली हूँ. So still let me give you some brief description about this. That is, we do so many things for our skin care, like we do toning, we do face scrub, then we do face masking, and we also do double face mask process also. We do so much things for our skin care. हाँ, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है. हमारा स्किन केयर बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि हमारा फेस ही है जो सबको दिखाई देता है. एंड व्हाट वी नेग्लेक्ट इज we neglect our body care routine. So we should not ignore our body care routine. So on today's video I'm going to share all the products I use for my body care routine. So before proceeding with this video, let me tell you that this video is going to be little bit longer as I'm going to show you all the products which I use as my body care. So this video is going to be little bit longer, so you can't expect that this video is going to be shorter one. So if you are really interested, watch the full video and don't skip any part of this video. So without any further ado, let's proceed with the video. So the first product which I use every day is a shower gel. So this shower gel is from Nivea. So the key ingredients in this shower gel is grapefruit, clay and hibiscus. And the best part of this shower gel is the smell of this shower gel lasts for more than half an hour or up to 1 hour also after you came out from your shower also. So I have some more options for you. So this shower gel is from Plum Body Lovin'. This is in Driving Me Cherry. So people who love the fragrance of cherry, you should definitely go with this one. And the best part of this shower gel is this is for all skin type, and people who have sensitive skin, you can also go with this one. So the next product I'm going to show you is a body wash. So before showing you the product which I use as my body care, let me tell you the difference between body wash and a shower gel. So basically there is not that much of difference between shower gel and a body wash. So basically the difference between shower gel and body wash is their respective texture. So the body wash is more like liquid soaps or dishwashing liquids in texture, and shower gel is more like gel consistency. So that's the difference between shower gel. मुझे लगा सांप है. So that's the basic difference between shower gel and a body wash. So let me show you which body wash I use. So this body wash is from Body Muse. I just love this body wash. So from past few weeks I have started using the brand's Body Muse products. I just love their products. So the short description which I can tell about Body Muse is that all the products from Body Muse are made up of natural ingredients. So this is a good news for DIY lovers, which means people who love to use natural skincare products instead of any drugstore product or any chemical product. You people will love all their products. All the products are made up of natural ingredients. So they have their Instagram page. So I will give the link of their page on my description box. So go and check that out. So I'm a person who normally don't like to use soaps, but when sometimes I want to cheat my body wash or shower gels, I go for Dove soaps. So I don't have the soap here with me, so I can't show you the soap in this video as my soap is in my bathroom. So I use Dove soap, and secondly I use the soaps from Body Muse. So I have these little soaps. This is so cute. These soaps are from Body Muse. This is so cute. I just love this soap. The next product which I'm going to show you is a body oil. So I don't need to use body oil on a regular basis. So the body oil I use is from Johnson's Baby. So I never go for a bigger bottle as I don't know that I will use it for a longer time or not. That's why I always go for a smaller one. So the next product I'm going to show you is a body salt. So this body salt is from Body Muse. So you may arise a lot of questions when I tell about body salt. So what body salt is? So body salt helps to stimulate circulation. It also helps to moisture our skin, and sometimes it also heals our skin. Like sometimes we get some crack on our hands or on our legs, so it helps to heals our that issues. So body salt helps a lot of our skin issues. Now let's talk about body butter. So the body butter I use is from Body Muse. So I'm talking about this body butter. So this is in lavender shade, not shade, this is in lavender flavor. I don't know shade, type or flavor, I don't know actually, but this is made up of lavender. So I use this one, and I use another body butter also, which is from M Caffeine. This one is from M Caffeine. I just love this two body butter. I can't tell you that I just love this body butter. It helps me a lot to moisture my skin. So I just love this body butter. So let's talk about body lotions. So I use this body lotion from Nivea. This is extra whitening cell repair body lotion, and this is really helped me to remove my tan. I don't think tan, but I get some visible, or you can say instant result after using this lotion. I won't say that I get a brighter skin tone, not like that, but I get some lighter skin tone which I didn't notice previously before using this lotion. So we all know how important body scrubbing is. So I use two body scrubber. One is by natural process and another is from M Caffeine. Obviously I am a fan of M Caffeine. I'm not promoting their brand, I just personally love their brand, so I use their products. So the first scrubber which I use is this loafer. This is a natural loafer from Body Muse. So I will tell you everything about this loafer on the part 2 video. The second scrub which I use is from M Caffeine. This is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So last but not least, we know a body mist is a damn important for us. So I use this body mist which is from Plum Body Loving. This is Oopsie Daisy. The smell is really crazy. I'm just crazy about this one. This one is my second bottle. I just love this body mist. So I have showed you all the products which I use as my body care. So this one is the part 1 for body care, and I'm going to make part 2 for body care, where I'm going to tell you the correct uses of each and every product which I showed you in this video, and I will tell you the do's and the don'ts also, and even I will tell you the steps to use all the products which I shown you in this video, and so many more things on the part 2 video. So stay tuned for that video. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and families. And you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and hit on that bell icon also, so that you get notified every time when I upload a video.